waliwo wano bubaka bwo bwenjagala okubeera nga nkuwa oba nga nkutuusaako olunaku lwa leero. Wow. This is it.
Abula bannange wabula temuntu. Abula mundehere mukikola.
Wow. Obubaka bwa Mise Mwami Bindeeba eri Remy Precious ku lunaku lwa Valentines.
Bannange.
Wow.
Look at this girl. Thank you. Bannange. Okay, try expected flowers, but not here. Bane muri musente.
Wow.
Muri musente. Zizo.
Oh, wow. Are you excited? Are you happy?
I told you on flowers and money. I want both things. Bannange. Thank you, Mommy Bindeeba.
There's also this one for you, Remy. Is this?
I'll be there. I'll be there. Thank you for accepting to be mine and mine alone. Alright, yeah. This is sweet. Thank you, my favorite cookies. Bannange. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Flory. Flory Mutama. Bana watch me number bawang. Some talk about dance to Magi.
Let's look at this, if you don't mind.
Bannange. Flowers smell good. How? Look at them. They are beautiful, right?
Oh, right. Very beautiful, very cute.
Coming
from Mr. Bindeeba, Omubwati. Wow.
Bannange, thank you, my husband. Thank you so much. Kebanenze ndikwebaza ntya mukwano sisa wakufukamira naye kangezeeko. Bannange webale katonda kunjagalire.
Can I read what is here?
Yes, you can. Thank you, my love.
Cocktail, I swear by the moon and the sun, I'll be there. I will be there. Thank you for accepting to be mine and mine alone. I will forever love you always. Yours, Cocktail. That's what is here.
My husband, you are the sweetest thing I've ever met. What should I say? You are the best thing that ever happened to me. You are so kind, you are so loving, you're everything good. Bannange basajja bakite bakoppa ku bannange. Nababeeranga balinga gwe. Bannange omusajja yampadde se. You people, money. Very important thing here.
Yes, happy Valentine's Day.
You know,
what is that?
It's amazing. That chocolates. He knows I love chocolates. I big craving for chocolates all the time. So
this is nice.
This is nice. Thank you, Morning Express. Valentine is done, Flory. Thank you, producer. You're always in this thing.
Wow.
What them said? Omukazi we bimuli oboli wanene oze kulaba byange.